Let's look at how to convert between radians and degrees. Over here, I have the key, the formula that you're going to use to answer the questions. The idea is radian is to pi as degrees is to 180 degrees. A very useful definition that you can use to convert. So here's our first question. It says, how many radians is 45 degrees? So what you can do is you can use this. Radians is to pi as 45 degrees is to 180 degrees. If you solve this now using algebra, you'll have the answer of how many radians it is. To solve this, you could reduce the fraction. Your goal is to get radians by itself. So you're going to need to get rid of that pi. 45 goes into 180, how many times? 4, right? So this reduces to 1/4. And working to get r by itself, you can multiply by pi. That allows you to cancel pi. What you do to one side, you must do to the other. So r is equal to pi over 4. That is how many radians 45 degrees is. Pi over 4.